Big brain herbivores, pro-herbivore evidence. bbapes.com. 1. Pictures don't lie. Based on pictures and logic, among apes, the more meat in the diet, the smaller the brain and body. Meat and brain size. Coco, the gorilla, who was said to have an IQ of between 75 and 95, could understand 2,000 words of spoken English. 2. Glucose, sugar, not protein, is the fuel for our brain, which is proof that we are herbivores, because meat has no sugar. That's why kids love sweets and dislike meat. If protein was fuel for the brain, then lions and dogs would have bigger brains than us, because they eat a lot more meat protein. 3. Genesis, gestation and number of babies. Among apes, the more meat in the diet, the smaller the brain and body, because the less complicated the body of an animal is, the easier it is for the animal to reproduce itself. For example, a bike is easier to manufacture than a motorcycle. Herbivores' bodies are more complicated than omnivores' bodies. It's harder to extract vital nutrients from plants than it is to extract vital nutrients from raw meat, which already contains nutrients, protein, fat, etc. That's why herbivores have longer gestation periods and give birth to one baby at a time, whereas omnivores have shorter gestation periods and give birth to multiple babies at once. Since the brain is very intricate, a longer gestation period allows more time for brain development and growth in the womb. Also, the brain requires little protein because otherwise, carnivores and omnivores would have much larger brains than herbivores do, since they eat raw meat loaded with protein. 4. Human low milk protein percent, by weight, proves that we are herbivore. Our brain grows and develops fastest, during the first 90 days of life, on human breast milk. Our milk, evolved over millions of years, has the lowest percent, by weight, 1% protein of all animals, even lower than herbivores. Even less than cow, 3.4%, dog, 7.5%, donkey, monkey, chimpanzee or gorilla. The extremely low percent of protein in human milk during the period of fastest brain growth proves that we are herbivores. 5. Human mothers feed their babies herbivores' milk, cow, sheep, goat, camel, not omnivores' milk, dog, pig, bear. Our bodies are so sensitive that even the milk of a fellow herbivore, cow, sheep, camel, must be boiled or pasteurized and refrigerated. Refrigerator was invented only about 150 years ago. We have been on Earth for millions of years, and 150 years relative to millions of years is a short period. Without food refrigeration, the price of meat, dairy and eggs would be a lot higher, especially in warm climate areas where most of humanity resides.